Breaking updates from West Bengal. TMC has suspended its MLA Humayun Kabir. Humayun has been suspended after Babri in Bengal. Wow, remember Humayun Kabir had sparked a major controversy with a statement saying he plans to build a Babri Masjid replica in Bengal's Murshidabad district. That had led to a huge political storm and also annoyed TMC Supremo, after which he was suspended. Mamata Banerjee was upset over the statement and now an action being taken. Let's go straight across to Ritik, who's joining us from Calcutta. Ritik, of course, action being taken against Humayun Kabir. We know that Mamata Banerjee was upset over the statements he made. We believe he's now been suspended.
Well, definitely, let me break this news that we are currently bringing live from the Baharampur rally, where in a short while from now, the West Bengal Chief Minister is scheduled to address anti-SI rally. And now the news just has come that the Humayun Kabir, the controversial MNA, who has decided to set a Babri replica in Murshidabad's, Beldanga on 6th of December, now has been suspended by TMC, and now I'm just letting you know that Humayun Kabir has just spoke to ADTV just a short while from now, and he said that he will give his reaction within 2 hours after the suspension. Now he is just leaving this premises. 15 minutes earlier, he has arrived to attend Chief Minister's event in Baharampur. Now, following the controversy that Humayun Kabir being suspended by the party top leader, and now he has just left the premises. It has come as a huge embarrassment for the party. Now, party has distanced itself from Humayun Kabir's decision to set up a Babri replica in Murshidabad district, and strong words are coming from TMC leaders. Bobby Hakim, the Firhad Hakim, who is the Bengal minister, is currently addressing a press conference in Kolkata, in which the decision has been taken that Humayun Kabir has been suspended. Now, let me also tell you that Humayun Kabir earlier was issued cautious several times for being outspoken, for going against party line. We are also learning from the party sources. Remember, Mamata Banerjee was stationed over here in Baharampur while she is touring Malda and Murshidabad, and she is conducting multiple anti-SIR rallies in Malda within these two bordering districts. Now, she held a crucial meeting, sources said, and she was very, very annoyed with the move by Humayun Kabir. But we just spoke to Humayun Kabir. He is still determined to build a Babri replica in Beldanga, which is going to take place on 6th of December. We are also learning that the administration are taking all precautionary measures to stop this event. We are also learning that the Humayun Kabir is yet to get the possession of the land where he is trying to set up the Babri replica. What we know that it has come as a huge embarrassment and a setback for Humayun Kabir. Earlier, the party has given many times they warned.
All right, we seem to have lost that connection with Ritik. Ritik, we will come back to you. Also, Ritik had earlier spoken to Humayun Kabir. Let's take a look at the clarification and explanation Mr. Kabir gave to NDTV.
वंदना, आप आए हैं, ममता जी से मिलेंगे इस बैठक में, क्या आप रहेंगे उस मंच में?
मंच में तो अलाउ किया तो जाएंगी मंच में, चलिए क्या दिक्कत है, कोई तो दिक्कत नहीं है।
लेकिन आपका तार जिस तरीके से बाबरी मस्जिद से जुड़ रहा है, सुनने में आ रहा है कि पार्टी की जो सुप्रीमो है ममता बनर्जी नाखुश है आपके इस कदम से, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
वो आप सुना, उनको पूछिए, मेरा कुछ नहीं मालूम है मेरा पास। जो है खुश है, उनका पूछिए।
इनसे बातें होंगी 6 तारीख के प्रोग्राम के लिए। आपने कहा है कि तमाम लोगों को आप न्योता देंगे आने के लिए, ममता जी को भी कहेंगे कि 6 तारीख के इस फाउंडेशन प्रोग्राम में हुआ है।
ममता जी को 6 तारीख में कलकत्ता में प्रोग्राम बुलाया, तो मैं कैसे यहाँ इनवाइट करूँगी? तो सेम डेट में तो ममता जी पार्टी का प्रोग्राम नहीं लिया, बबरी जो उसके दिन तोड़ा गया, इसी के लिए वो प्रोग्राम।
All right, so those are the details we are picking up from West Bengal. Humayun Kabir has been suspended from his party over his Babri remark. In fact, he had earlier said that he plans to build a Babri Masjid replica in Murshidabad district of West Bengal. We will, of course, keep tracking this developing story.